Music. What's up, everybody? I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, at the Morrow Center for the Three-Wheel Showdown. It's getting crowded. All the Slingshots are here. Tomorrow is going to be more Rykers and Spyders, but right now I'm going to take a walk through so you can see. This is crazy.
Take this. Did y'all come together? You know her? No, y'all can be together. Her vote is like your vote. Anytime we go to the bank, he said no, we don't count him anyway. Alright, if you're getting in the Slingshot LED contest, line up behind these bikes. Y'all two ready? We're gonna let y'all do y'all best light show at the same time, and the judges gonna rate the show. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Are you ready, my man? Let's go. Go. Y'all go ahead.
At the Three-Wheel Showdown in Charlotte, I'm sorry, not in Charlotte, in Georgia, and for the first time ever they had Can-Ams versus Slingshots, which was an amazing. There was only two, so I couldn't get over there to get it, but it's something new that's coming. They're going to be doing this a lot more, but check this out.
Judges to the front.
Man, there's even custom.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing.
I know it's a lot of y'all.
Right now we got two Can-Ams about to enter in the sound competition.
ASC,
Taking
Atlanta
the trophy
Slingshot
for
Group.
the nicest and
Please come
loudest
under the
sound.
tent. All right, community. One too many couches.
I'm gonna cut off the sound because it's gonna get copywritten, but I'll tell you who won.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Right there. All right. I know it's more y'all than that. Where's the rest? Atlanta Slingshot Community. Atlanta Slingshot Community.
Gotta be cool, baby. Jump out your car in the middle of the street.
Well, you all know who won that one. Hands down, the Ryker had it. Amazing amount of money spent on that system. The bass, it was insane. So if I don't get copyrighted, I'll play the video of the sound, but if I don't, take my word for it, they won hands down.
Please pick up your own trash.
Just finished up the Three-Wheel Showdown in Georgia, and I said, you know what, I did a review of White Castles, so we ordered from Crystals. So Crystals is I guess the southern equivalent to White Castle. So did an order here, and we're gonna try it out. We got tater tots, fries. I'm not gonna do those yet, but I am gonna do the burgers, and I'm gonna do a comparison of what you get. So, okay, here's the box. Not as sturdy and elegant. Oh, you fancy, instead of what you crave. So not a little weak box. It's like paper. My wife's eating one now. How does it taste?
Just like White Castle.
Just like White Castle. All right. So I'm gonna take the pickle off for some reason.
Well, we didn't get mustard on it.
Yeah, I didn't get mustard. Oh, that's the thing. We opted out of mustard. I just couldn't do it. Let me taste it.
Right?
All right. Does it taste like White Castle? No. Not at all.
It's it tastes like.
It's a sweeter bun.
Yeah, sweeter.
The meat, I want to say a little more meat. The sandwich is definitely heavier than a White Castle burger. I've been eating White Castle all my life. The weight is different. I don't know if it's more cheese. The onions are not diced. They're Julienne.
That's not the word.
No? When you slice them long instead of little squares?
Julienne?
Julienne?
I don't know.
Something like that. Anyway, better than White Castle.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Better.
I don't think so.
Maybe because I like sweet buns.
You're stupid.
Anyway, that's it. Finish with the trip. Enjoy the videos. See you at the next one. Ride safe, everybody. Ride safe. And eat well. Don't eat like me.